So everything with the Airbnb ain't always sunshine and roses. The guest left. He said that the air wasn't working good last night, so we come and checked it out, and the house was pretty warm, not too bad. It was like 82 there. That's kind of hot. I came and checked it out. The compressor was doing a little hum. The outdoor fan motor didn't want to start. Hit the fan motor with a screwdriver. Started spinning, so automatically I assumed it was the capacitor. So I checked the capacitor, and you can see this is decent, but it's not the original. It's cheap. It did work for a while, but I think it just went bad because it was cheap. You know, the original is like twice this size, and it's about 3 times the price. As you can see right now, we got plenty of flow. Compressor's running good. Now air's down to 76 and still dropping. Another job well done.